Hi, this is Dave Lorenzo with RainmakerLawyer.com, and today we're going to talk about something that flies in the face of conventional wisdom. I know what you're thinking, gee, what a surprise. But today I want to talk to you about a little-known legal marketing secret that could completely transform both the quality and quantity of clients that you get coming into your law firm. And that secret is the principle of scarcity. It seems that the less available you are, the more clients will desire to hire you or to engage you for your services. Now, it seems that way, quite frankly, because it's true. Being available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week is a bad thing. It's not a good thing. It smacks of desperation. Anyone who's available that frequently or that often is setting themselves up to be an employee and not a trusted advisor. Now, I know this works for those of you who are in business-to-business practices like corporate transactional attorneys or people who handle specialized matters in the business world like customs and international trade, even immigration attorneys, those of you who perhaps don't do deportation defense, do family work or do corporate work. You say to yourself, yeah, I get that. Being less available makes sense to me. I don't need to be accessible to my clients 24 hours a day. Those of you in consumer practices, though, particularly criminal defense practices, may say, well, if that person doesn't hire me in the middle of the night, they may not hire me at all. They may find another lawyer. I understand that. The question I want you to ask yourself is, what is the quality of client that is calling you in the middle of the night? If you do white-collar criminal defense, generally those people can find a way to get themselves out of jail, even if it's in the middle of the night, and then call you the next day. Ultimately, do you want to be one of the premier people in your field, or do you just want to be somebody that they call on a retail basis when they need something? I mean, the choice is really up to you. Now, here are 3 reasons why scarcity works and why scarcity makes you more desirable as an attorney. First and foremost, people always want what they can't have. Think about that dating relationship you had when you were growing up. You always wanted the person of the opposite sex that you couldn't have. They were the person who played hard to get. Think about going on a waiting list for a car. I mean, many attorneys go out and they like to buy fancy or expensive cars, and those fancy or expensive cars, you have to go on a waiting list to get them. You can't just drive one off a lot. It makes you want it that much more. It makes it seem that much more special, the fact that it's scarce. Finally, think about the hot new toy that you want to get your kids during the holiday season. If it's sold out and it's impossible to get, that's always the toy your kid wants that much more. Another reason why scarcity works for attorneys is because it stimulates curiosity in the mind of the client. If someone is unavailable to them, they wonder why that is. And they wonder if they are the proper client for this attorney because the attorney seems to have an elevated status. You always want that position of having an elevated status in the mind of your client. The final tip I'll give you about scarcity, the reason that it works so well, is because it validates the thinking that this person must be so good that they are so busy that they can't be available to me right away. Now, it is human nature for people to feel this way, and it works every single time. If you make yourself scarce, you will become more attractive to your clients. Try it today because scarcity is one of the little-known marketing secrets that works for your law firm marketing. My name is Dave Lorenzo. You can find more great tips just like these at RainmakerLawyer.com. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.